Budgeting and financial management. Definition, concept, and importance. 1. Budget is a plan that identifies the financial resources required to achieve programmatic objectives. 1. Once constructed, this plan assists staff and board in managing the organization both programmatically and financially throughout the year. 2. A budget serves as the basis for financial reporting to the major key stakeholders. 2. It is a powerful tool for allocating limited resources among the competing priorities within the community because needs always exceed available funds. 2. Budgeting means making choices. 3. A budget includes planned activities, projects, and services. 3. It consists of a comprehensive listing of anticipated revenues and proposed expenditures for a future 12-month period or fiscal year. 4. Budget is important as a statement of policy about the allocation of limited resources among service areas. 4. It is not only a statement of finances. 4. But it is linked between mobilization of funds and attainment of program goals and objectives. 5. Activities associated with budget formulation, legislative review, budget execution, and budget control and audit are major instruments in deciding the shape and condition of a community and the effectiveness and efficiency of local government programs. Purposes of budget. 1. The budget as a contract. Budget is provided for agreed-upon purposes. 1. It is a contract between policymakers and municipal departments or implementing organization. 2. The budget as a management tool. The budget serves as a statement of decisions and responsibilities that translate into specific programs and activities. 2. It can help achieve administrative efficiency, economy, and honestly through business-like behavior. 2. It increases management responsibility and accountability. 3. The budget is motivator. The budget motivates departments by setting forth targets and by serving as a mechanism for obtaining involvement and commitments. 3. It provides a means for measuring accomplishment against goals and for comparing actual with planned outcomes. 4. The budget as a financial control. 4. Mechanism. 4. It is a means to define and assign responsibility for financial control. 4. A budget provides strong control over departmental expenditures and reduces the administrative discretion of department heads. 5. The budget is a plan. It is an investment plan. 5. It coordinates choices so as to achieve desired goals. 5. The budget is an instrument for correlating between executive and legislative action. 6. The budget is a major policy tool. 6. It is the most important policy decision to make in a fiscal year. 6. Policymakers must make decisions that contribute the most to the goals of the organization. 7. The budget is a communication mechanism. The budget document is the mechanism by which development planners and implementers inform all the concerned stakeholders. 8. The budget as an operation guide. Budget requests describe proposed activities, services or functions that institutions will carry out. 8. In the requests one must identify qualitative and quantitative measures or outputs by which program performance and results will be evaluated. 8. Program beneficiaries must be identified as well as the employees required to carry out the activities. 9. The budget as an instrument of democracy. 9. Historically, a major purpose of budgeting is to promote democracy. 9. The budget must reflect the will of the citizens and must be open to public scrutiny. 9. The budget is a means of exercising popular control over public money. The budgeting process. Step 1. Planning the process. 1. Identify who will coordinate the budgeting process and which staff, board members, and committees need to be involved. 2. Agree upon key definitions, assumptions, and document formats. 3. Set timelines and key deadlines. 4. Determine and schedule any training or key meetings. Step 2. Communicating about the process. 1. Clearly communicate responsibilities, expectations, and deadlines to everyone involved. 2. Explain and distribute forms and assumptions. Step 3. Programmatic goal setting. 1. Determine program goals and objectives. 2. Project staffing requirements and salary and benefit assumptions based on program goals. 3. Get board agreement on goals and assumptions. Step 4. Information gathering. 1. Research and gather information about income and expenses based on program goals and assumptions. 2. Construct budget details by program. 3. Communicate regularly to avoid duplication of effort and to share information and assumptions. Step 5. Compilation and Revision. 1. Have one person compile all information, review it for consistency, and redistribute to everyone involved. 2. Leave plenty of time for review and revisions. Step 6. Committee Review. 1. Have the Finance Committee and other appropriate staff and board committees review. 2. Be sure to allow enough time between committee meetings and the final approval deadline to address questions and recommendations and make revisions. Step 7. Final Approval. 1. Distribute information to the board prior to the board meeting. 1. Including budget draft. 1. Program goals and other supporting information. 2. Have program and development committees play a role in making an informative presentation to the board based on the opportunities, challenges, and resources behind the budget numbers. 3. Have the Finance Committee or Treasurer present the budget proposal to the board. Step 8. Implementation and Management. The real work begins once the budget is approved. 1. Communicate budget, program goals, and timelines for the next year to staff. 2. Review actual income and expense compared to the budget on a monthly basis. 3. Update and revise the budget as there are changes during the year. 3. Depending on the significance of changes, the board may need to approve revisions. Keys to a successful budgeting process. 1. Clearly identify programmatic objectives that are aligned with the mission and strategic plan. 2. Determine the financial resources needed and available to achieve program goals. 3. Involve staff and board members in the process to improve accuracy of information and commitment to the plan. 4. Document. 4. Don't rely on memory. 4. Write down assumptions and formulas. 4. This will be very important in managing the budget throughout the year. 5. Customize your process. 5. The steps each organization takes will be somewhat different.